The war of egos between the world's richest man and the world's most powerful man is now going political. Once best friends Elon Musk and Donald Trump have now turned to foes. It first started when Musk went against Trump and posted series of tweets about how Trump's one big beautiful bill will destroy America. The feud halted for some time after Musk deleted his post claiming that Trump was on the Epstein files, and so he has not released it yet. He then said that he regretted some of his posts. It was all good and looked like the two had reconciled for a bit, but the war has now erupted again. Just a few days before the bill was passed in the Senate, Musk called it utterly insane and made a series of statements about how it will make Americans jobless and insanely increase the US debt. He also said that if it was passed, he would form his own political party and oppose the bill. And he did just that. On July 4th, it was passed, and Musk said that he was done with the debt slavery. So he announced a new political party this week to quote unquote give Americans back their freedom. But days after this announcement, everything is just in the air. Apart from the name American Party, there is nothing much we know about this. Musk has been saying that the US two-party system is essentially uniparty with similar financial policies that do not represent the 80% in the middle, and has not yet explained how exactly Elon Musk's party will be implementing this though, but he says that he will contest in the midterm elections of the Congress, which is in the next year. So Musk wants to be the king from the kingmaker. And Trump is not happy. For obvious reasons, Musk helped him in his campaign. He spent millions of dollars, but now he is going against him. So Trump called him names like he usually does. He called him a train wreck. He mocked his third party, said that none of them have survived and neither will the American party. He said that the entire thing was quote unquote ridiculous, and he said Elon Musk can have fun with it. He even said that he would deport Elon Musk to South Africa. Trump also threatened of taking back all the government subsidies that Elon Musk's companies are enjoying right now. But can Musk create this party? The US Constitution has no restriction on a third party, so this is possible, but will it actually work? It has not worked in the past. However, as per a survey, 58% Americans support for a third political party. But there are problems. Elon Musk is not a native American. He won't be able to contest for president. What he can do is control it. He can back another person. There is another issue too. Musk's political interests have not benefited his companies, and so he left politics and said that he would spend more on Tesla. Turns out he is now taking a deep dive into politics, and Tesla is not doing well. On Monday, Tesla shares fell by 6.8% in early trade, erasing $79 billion in one day. When Trump and Musk fought for the first time in July, it lost $150 billion in value. Investors are furious because looks like Musk's everywhere but not at Tesla. Another issue is Musk's government contracts. The feud means Musk's government subsidies could take a hit. SpaceX could take a hit too. A total of $48 billion of government contracts could go away. And that will also impact America's space program. So US depends on Musk's companies too, and Musk depends on US subsidies. And this is a bigger issue. Again, the two most powerful people fight and the whole America is impacted.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.